Okay.
All right, so our turban cap is ready. As you can see, I've sewn round on the shape we already trimmed out. So at this point, as always, you will gather your stitches, right, and then back stitch it. I'm sure we are not strange to this process. We are all familiar to it.
Yeah.
Yes. So I've gathered my stitches, so I can back stitch with my needle, or I'll just use my sewing machine to back stitch it.
Okay.
So here is our turban is ready. This is the back. So the last thing for us to do now is this place where we added elastic is going to be at the back. So for proper fitting, you just gather a few pleats here. Please watch what I'm doing. Gather a few pleats, okay, like 2 or 3 pleats. Just gather it this way, like this. So I'm gathering 3 pleats, and then you tack. And our turban is ready, right? As you can see, our Ankara turban is ready. This is the front view, and this is the back view. Isn't it lovely? So I made these roses. I've taught us how to make these roses, right? You can either use Ankara or English fabric to make these roses. This is the essence of all those things I'm teaching you guys with Ankara, because there are some things you cannot do with your cinnamon and your paper mats, but with Ankara you can do a lot of things, and you can even use it to decorate your fascinators. I had a student call me to say that she does not need the Ankara class, that if I can replace the Ankara with something else. Well, I said, I'm sorry, if you don't have a need for it, other students do have a need for it. And besides, there are a lot of things you can do with your Ankara that your cinnamon and your paper mat cannot do for you. With these roses, you can decorate your fascinator with it, giving it an African touch. There are some Ankara that do not even look like Ankara. By the time you're done with them, people will be wondering where you got that fabric from. So I'll just arrange this on my turban like this. You see how beautiful it is? Yeah. You see how beautiful it is? And we are good to go. Alright, thanks for staying tuned. Please follow us on Instagram at Fashion Boss Innovation, Facebook at Fashion Boss Innovation, like our business page on Facebook, Fashion Boss Innovation. Go to YouTube and download our free videos there. Search for Fashion Boss Innovation. Join our Facebook group. We have a lot of things we also share on that group. You just search for Fashion Boss Innovations and you'll see us all over the place. Thank you so very much, and God bless you. Bye.